So we're going to talk about linear functions word problems. So this is the first example. A college bookstore charges $60 for a yearly membership. The first book is free with the membership, and any book after that costs $7.60, including tax. How much money does a student expend after buying B-books in a yearly membership? So, in this case, we need to do that M is the amount of money that they're going to expend on books. Then, plus the $60. So, B equals books that are $60 extra each. So, if there are $60 plus the 7 and 60 each book, but then the first book is free, so it means that you're going to pay 760 b times b minus 1, that is the free book, plus 60. So then you're going to be ending like this. M equals 760 times b minus 1 plus 60. So this is the second example. Miley's house is located 1.4 miles from her school. When she walks home from school, it takes her an average of 24 minutes. Assuming that Miley walks at a constant rate, how is the function written from Miley's distance from home? D in miles, if she has walked a total of 10 minutes on her trip home that day. So we assume that the constant rate. So first we need to figure out the rate that is in here, that a constant rate. So this makes 1.4 miles in here over the 24 minutes that she takes like an average. Then if we have a decimal here, we need to simplify that, so we make 14 miles over 240 minutes. So we need to simplify that fraction, and we made it by 2, so it's equal to 7 over 120. Then we need to figure out the d, that is the distance, but the distance we need to figure out is the distance from home, not from school. So in this step we need to make d equals the rate times the time, but this distance is from school, that is different that we're looking for. Then when the time is 0, she's in school. As the time goes by, she goes further and further away. So this is equal to the distance from home equals to 1.4, that this is the miles, minus the distance from school. From S. So, but this doesn't make sense because if we have here, like, this is her home and this is the school. This is 1.4 miles. So if she has record that she walked like here that are 1.4 miles, so it will equal to 1 mile. So that's so the answer will be the 1.4 minus the rate times the time. So this be equal to distance equals to 1.4 minus that we have here the rate minus 720 times the time. That's the answer.